Calculated metrics feature in GA4 allows you to create your own metrics using one of the standard GA4 metrics or a custom metrics that you create by passing event parameters. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of creating calculated metrics. So if you're ready, let's dive in. In GA4, go to the admin panel and go to custom definitions under data display section. In custom definitions, you will see three options: custom dimensions, custom metrics, and calculated metrics. Click on calculated metrics. This is where you can create new calculated metrics or modify the existing ones. Since I haven't created any calculated metrics, this is empty. To create a new calculated metrics, click on Create Calculated Metric button. That opens up the screen where you can create your calculated metric. For this example, I am going to create a calculated metric that will allow me to see the percentage of users who scroll on a page. First, I'm going to provide a name for this metric. So let's call this percentage of users who scrolled. And as you type that name, you will notice that the API name gets updated as well. This is the name that you will use when accessing this metrics via Google Analytics APIs. Next, provide a description of this metric if you would like. You can leave it empty as well. I'm going to leave it empty. And then you have to provide the formula that you will use to calculate this metric. Click on the formula field and you will see the list of metrics that you can use in this formula. So let's go ahead and type in scroll. And here are scrolled users. This is the total count of users who scrolled. Let's divide this by total users. So now we got scrolled users divided by total users. Let's put this in parentheses and multiply the whole thing by 100 to get a percentage. And that's all you need for the formula. You can combine the metrics using basic mathematical formula. Finally, you have to pick a unit of measurement. Standard means it's just a number, but clicking on this drop down will show you other options. In our case, we are only using standard number, so I'm just going to leave it as standard. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save to save this calculated metric. Now your calculated metric is ready. You can use this calculated metric in your standard reports, in Explore, as well as in API calls. Now I'm going to show you how this data looks like in a report. I've already customized a standard report to include this metric, so that's what I'm going to show you. If you're not familiar with how to customize the standard reports, then check the description of this video. Here is a standard pages and screens report. Scroll down and let's scroll to the right. And here you can see percentage of users who scrolled on each and every page. So that's it. This is how you create calculated metrics and use them in your reports. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new videos from me.